Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to find COBO Wallet address. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open COBO Wallet application on your mobile device, and once you are signed into the account, go ahead and select the Wallet tab at the bottom of the screen. Now you will come across this interface where you will need to tap on Receive. Select a cryptocurrency or the coin to view the wallet address of. For example, let me tap on BTC. Now, soon after you tap on BTC, you will come across this interface where you can see the QR code and the wallet address generated. You can use the wallet address to send and receive cryptocurrency, or let anyone scan the QR code to send you coins on COBO Wallet. You can also save the address and QR code by tapping on the save button at the bottom and save it in a secure folder. So that's how you can easily find your COBO Wallet address using the COBO mobile application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.